This is the fun part. This is the part everyone sees. Everyone says, oh, wow, this is great. You'll see this in a comic book cover. You can see this magazine ad. You go to a bus station. It's on a bus somewhere, whatever, okay? How did it get there? Starts with the line art, okay? From the line art, there's the flats. You start adding the shading. But for me to even understand, where's this lighting going to come from? How am I going to shade this flat object right here? It all comes from understanding the fundamentals of the human face. So let's look at just like the basic breakdown. Let's take away the rest of the body and just kind of look at this, okay? The reason I have that on the side actually is just to give you guys an idea of this is what's in my head. This is what I'm thinking of, you know, when I'm drawing. I'm thinking of this right here. I see this in my head, but I'm shooting for that, okay? So before I even did this head, one of the first things I did was I told myself, I'm going to draw a head. So I did a quick layout of this head right here. Did my cross sections. After I did my cross sections, I decided, okay, I need to figure out where the mouth is, which I want the mouth here, the eyes here. So immediately I started to do this. I drew that line down. And I'm going to show you why on another piece, why this line works all the time.